Hey guys, okay, so let us look at the gold market, all right? So let us review the last week and also the potential setup for the coming week, okay? So if you look at this chart over here, this one is the weekly time frame, okay? So weekly, what can you see in the weekly time frame here? Oops. So as you can see, weekly time frame, this particular weekly candle closed very bearish, okay? And then also closed below this previous support over here, all right? And now we go to the we zoom into the smaller time frame, okay? So we do a top-down analysis, okay? From weekly, now we go to the daily. So daily, as usual, what we can do is we put a trend line over here to determine the overall market directions, right? This one, okay? So from here, we can see that the gold has basically break from this structure, this trend line here, right? So gold has actually break from this daily candle. So gold, this daily candle actually break from this trend line over here, okay? Once it break from the trend line, what could we expect? Okay, what could we expect? So if we go to this H4 time frame here, okay, H4 time frame here is doing so if you put this trend line over here, all right, so gold is actually doing a downtrend here, right? So usually break the previous support, break, and then break another previous support, break, and then break another previous support, okay, and then break another time. And this particular here, all right, so break these are two previous support over here, all right? So this one basically is a strong support here, all right? You break through. So once you break through, if you go back to this okay, chart here, okay, so go back to the daily. So basically this one is basically okay, so when we go back to this H4 time frame, we can actually put this the zone over here, right? So the gold actually break through the two previous support over here, okay? So and then we go to this daily. If it's daily, we can see that this one is a strong supply zone over here, okay? Strong supply zone over here. So it's a base drop here, right? So this one is a supply zone that we can actually anticipate for coming week, okay? So we could actually expect price to actually come up all the way here, okay? If we manage to break over here, we can actually expect price to go up, okay? Otherwise price will actually come up over here and then actually make a fall another time, okay? So unless if you want to make sure that the price is actually going upward, so you have to make sure that gold have to break from this trend line as well as break from this zone, okay? Only we can actually anticipate to go up, okay? Otherwise it might actually still potentially going down more, okay? So if let's say price to go down, okay, where we can actually expect price to go down, so go down to, so another things you can actually do is you go to the line chart, okay, and you can see very clearly there is a strong support and resistance area over here, okay? So let me screenshot. So you can see, guys, okay, you can see this particular line here is a strong support resistance. So you can see this one is a strong support, you break up, now come back to retest at this line, okay, become a support, so another time, so because support and breakthrough become a resistance, breakthrough again to a breakthrough. So gold might actually have the potential to drop back all the way to here, this line over here, okay, where the previous resistance might become the new support area, okay? So in that case, we can actually put a zone over here. We go back to the candlestick, so then we can put a marking for the zone that gold might actually potentially drop down to, okay, either here or there is also another one zone. If price actually break and then go lower, so this could be the second potential zone that gold might actually drop to, okay, from here. So let me screenshot this one, okay? So as I say, this one is the first zone, okay, gold might actually drop down to, okay? This one is a second zone. Why? So because this one is a strong previous support over here, okay, and this one is a resistance, break up, become a support, and now price have the potential to, they say, break over this zone, come back to retest, drop to okay, break out of this zone, drop over here, okay? So these are the two zones, guys, okay, the first and second zone that we can actually monitor at. All right, so that's all for today, guys. So good luck, and be sure to join our DTA channel, Telegram channel, is where we give a free daily education and free daily signals as well. All right, see you guys there. The link is at my bio, guys. All right, so see you guys there.